4:05 a.m. and I'm a bit late. My friend Hosur is already waiting at the airport. Let's hope I make it on time and hopefully get on our way to Bangalore.
Alright, guess who's here with me? My friend from Mumbai, Hosur. What's up?
All good, man.
All set? All set for the ride?
You tell me.
Excited?
Very much. To see the Hosur factory plant.
So we are at the airport and I think it's what time is it?
Have to stop.
It's about 4:30 and that's the queue at the airport. Yeah, I'm a bit late. About half an hour late, but that's alright. We got flights at another hour to go. So yeah.
Okay, 41B.
Alright, security cleared. Off to the gates. And hopefully be flying in another 30 minutes. It's the quietest airport you'll ever see. So here we are at the food court. Just missed our flight and not the best starts to the day. We got to the gate and we realized that the boarding has already been shut. Yeah, I overslept, but yeah, well, that's what happened. We've been rescheduled for another flight in about another hour 15 minutes. So yeah, we just gotta have to chill around for a bit and then get on the flight and reach there around 10 o'clock. And yeah, let's see how that goes. Gonna get into our first flight of 2021. There we are. Oh! Let's go! Alright, so we just touched down Bangalore now. Me and my friend Hosur. How's the flight?
Meet Ryan now.
Yes.
Off to factory. Hosur factory, correct?
Hosur factory, yes.
Alright, Hosur factory.
So we just reached at the airport and we were welcomed by this nice little gentleman here.
Hello guys.
He's the man behind the mask. If you know him, tag him. Well, we're gonna wait here for maybe another 15-20 minutes till the Pune boys come in. And then we head to the factory, which should take about 2 hours or something. So yeah, can't wait.
So how far is your home?
So we're here in the car, finally got together. Me with my Mumbai boy, and we've been joined with our Pune boys as well. That's Rohit and that's Ketan with us. And led by Mr. X.
Mysterious.
We still have to figure out who he is, so yeah.
Mysterious.
Another 1.5 to 2 hours to go to get to the plant. And
1.5 hours hopefully by now.
yeah,
Hey
1.5
man,
hours. We are having a
dude.
taste of what the Bangalore traffic looks like, so yeah.
Flight to airport and I was enjoying myself and I thought he's going to be on time.
Look at this guy still complaining about me being late. He's got to stop.
Hey, no, it's not actually that. I feel they.
We are joined by our friends from Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad as we head into the factory. Everything after this was confidential and could not be recorded, hence we have to cut it off here.
Just landed back here in Mumbai, and it's been like a very tiring trip, but a fun one, to be honest. Apart from the missed flight incident what we had, the Ather Hosur factory was an absolute treat to watch. Such a massive plant, capable of manufacturing about 9,200 scooters every month, and an incredible setup. Everyone there was so kind and nice to show us around. It was an amazing experience. We did go back to the Ather main office as well, where we got a nice tour around the Ather office as well, which was pretty cool as well.